teaching it through literature and with the use of literature as a popular technique for teaching both basic language skills. Example for reading, writing, listening, and speaking language areas. Example for vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation in our times. Literature and the teaching of language skills. Benefits of different genres of literature to language teaching, and some problem encountered by language teaching within the area of teaching language. Teaching language through literature. Another perspective. It strengthens the argument of the advocates of teaching English without any affiliation with its literature. Our main concern as teachers and teacher trainers is not to teach about language, but there is a difference between teaching about the language and communicating in the language. What is literature? Literature is a term used to describe written or spoken material. Broadly speaking, literature is used to describe anything from creative writing to more technical or scientific works, but the term is most commonly used to refer to works of the creative imagination, including works of poetry, drama, fiction, and non-fiction. Teaching language through literature. To use of literature as a technique for teaching both basic language skills. Example for reading, writing, and speaking. And language area. Example for vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation is very popular within the field of foreign language learning and teaching nowadays, and in translation courses. Many language teachers make their students translate literary texts like drama, poetry, and short stories into the mother tongue. Literature is used in different contexts. Example for focus on teaching language and language learning purpose versus academic analytical purpose, and linguistic orientation versus literary critical orientation, and learning how to study literature versus studying literature. 3 main reasons which lead a language teacher to use literature in the classroom. Middle dot. Valuable authentic material. Literature is authentic material, and most works of literature are not created for the primary purpose of teaching a language, but many authentic samples of language in real-life contexts. Example for newspaper or magazine and articles are included within recently developed course materials. Middle dot. Cultural enrichment. For many language learners, the ideal way to increase their understanding of verbal and nonverbal aspects of communication in the country within which that language is spoken A visit or an extended stay is just not probable. Language enrichment. Literature provides learners with a wide range of individual lexical or syntactic items.